Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Slack to Zapier for automated alerts step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button at the top right corner. In the Choose a Trigger App search bar, type Slack. Select Slack from the results. Next, choose a trigger event from the options provided. Common options include new message posted to channel or new mention. Click on Continue after selecting your desired trigger. Now, you'll need to connect your Slack account. Click on Sign in to Slack. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to access your Slack workspace. Choose the workspace you want to connect and authorize Zapier. After authorization, select your Slack account from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Next, customize the trigger settings based on your preferences. If you selected New Message Posted to Channel, choose the specific channel to monitor. Click Continue after configuring the settings. Then, click on Test Trigger to ensure that your connection is working. Once the test is successful, click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to set up the action step. In the Choose an Action App search bar, type in the app you want to connect with Slack. Choose the app from the results. Select the action event you want to perform in that app. Click Continue after making your selection. Next, connect the app to your Zapier account if you haven't already. Authorize access if prompted. Once connected, set up the action fields by mapping the relevant Slack data. Click Continue once you have completed the setup. You can now test the action to make sure everything is working properly. After testing is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your Zap is now live, and Slack will trigger alerts as configured. You can always return to Zapier to adjust or turn off your Zap if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for